What up? Welcome back to another video, guys. From the title, you already know what we're gonna be talking about. We're gonna get into this little discussion for the day. It is nighttime right here in dirty Jersey, and I tried to go out to make this video, but for some reason my GoPro doesn't pick up any good lighting at nighttime. It just looks, everything looks blurry and bouncy. So if anybody knows how I can fix that, let me know down in the comments below, please. All right, so the big news: Harley Davidson has canceled. They have scrapped the Bronx. Moment of silence, please. All right, so obviously I'm one of those Harley Davidson owners who was really expecting that bike. I was really going into 2021 expecting to see that bike, and if I liked the way it was gonna look in person, I was gonna purchase it. So I'm extremely upset. Right off the bat, let me just say that I think that Harley Davidson was on the right steps with this bike. There's a few other bikes that I think don't make sense. The Pan America to me just doesn't make any sense. And before you kill me for saying this, let me just tell you that I'm actually a huge fan of the way the Pan America looks. I think it's the most beautiful ADV bike there is going to be out there. Like, it's way better looking than any BMW KTM that you could think of. Is a BMW KTM better performance? Yes, but look-wise, that Pan America is bellissima. So you're just gonna keep turning little by little? Let me help you out with that. There we go. To me, the Pan America segment just doesn't make any sense, because if you look at most of the riders who ride ADV bikes, or most of an older crowd, they already have sport bikes, already had dirt bikes, and now they just want to go out and, you know, do adventurous stuff out in the wilderness. I mean, yeah, there is young riders, but the big demographic of it is mostly older riders. So it just didn't make any sense for them to go into that field. I mean, I know right now it's a very competitive market out there, and we got to try to reach in and out in any little space and try to create and take away from anyone else, you know? But it just, that to me just doesn't make sense. The Bronx to me makes sense due to the fact that it's a naked bike, and if you look right now, they are trying to target the younger crowd, the younger market, and I think with a naked bike or a sport bike, that is the way to do it. Once again, some of you guys must be killing me right now because I'm talking about the sport bike and naked bikes. It is what it is. Every young person looks automatically at a naked bike and a sport bike first before they look at a cruiser. Are there young people who look at Harley Davidson first? Yes, but the number is very, very minimal. That's why you get so many people who come off sport bikes onto cruisers, because they're already done with that lifestyle. So to me, it was really, really innovating and pretty smart to bring this bike onto their platform. That way, get all these new riders, bring them into the family, and after they're done with the whole naked bike or sport bike, whatever feel they want, they're ready with the Harley Davidson family, and they could just dip into a cruiser bike because you're already on a Harley Davidson. So that whole plan to me was genius. It made a lot of sense. Like I said before, I was a big fan of the bike, man. I was really looking forward to it. Like, that was gonna be the bike that I was possibly going to buy for 2021 as my secondary bike. So right now we're just up with the custom, which is amazing. And if the custom looks anywhere near what that bike looks on the website, then I'm buying that. The Pan America, obviously, I'm not going off-roading. I'm not looking at that bike. Is it beautiful? Yes, but no, that bike is gonna be around $30,000 anyways. Got the inside already. So am I sad that the Bronx is gone? Yes, I am sad. I am sad. I was supposed to have this video up last week when I found out, because I found out through somewhere else, and then it was on the website, but I still have found out that it's off the website. There's a few people who made videos, so I'm pretty upset that I made the video first. But anyways, with that being said, let me know what you guys think down below. Do you agree with Harley Davidson scrapping the Bronx? Do you agree that Harley Davidson should have never done it in the first place? I want to know your thoughts down below. Let me know what you think. I'm very, very interested in to hear what you guys have to say. By the way, guys, next week I have a pretty good discussion video with Jerry coming up. We're going to be doing a reply video to another big YouTuber. I'm not going to say who right now, so tune in for that next week. Plus, I'm going to be ordering my Moons MC headlamp, and maybe the rear one as well. I'll tell you guys a few months ago that I was going to be adding that onto that bike, so that's also to come. Plus a few more other goodies this weekend. So if this is your first time on my channel, this is my 2020 Lowrideress. She is so sexy. If this is the type of content you're into, you're definitely in the right place. Like always, guys, let the force be with you. Ride safe and enjoy the ride, baby. Peace.